press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, this is Akhil from Merltech and I'm your host today. Now, as you know that we have a tech product company and we help a lot of companies, with their tech products and solutions, right? So a lot of, people, they ask us this question: what do you look for in developers when you're hiring developers? We have about 25 odd, React Native, React.js, and Node.js developers working for us. So people ask us, what do you exactly look for in developers, right? There are 6 things that we are usually looking for, and if you are a tech, startup, or if you're a company that recruits developers on a regular basis, these are the 6 things that even you need to be looking at. Right? The first is skills versus attitude. So it's quite possible he'll have a lot of skills. Your developer that you're looking for, or the people you're looking at, you're shortlisting, they might have a lot of skills. But it's possible that the attitude is not correct, right? So I would always place more weightage on the attitude, because he should have an attitude where he should be able to solve problems. He should have a can-do attitude. He should not get bogged down, and he should not get stressed very easily. Somebody like that can be a very good asset for your company, rather than somebody who just has a lot of skills, because somebody who has skills in the long term, they're not able to cope up in the real world, where there's a lot of pressure, where there are tight deadlines, right? So the second is debugging skills. Now developers can develop things really quickly. There are many developers like those, but you need somebody who's able to debug your code and find those issues, because problem solving abilities, they can only be used when you are able to define or find out where the problem is, right? So debugging skills are highly important. The third is analytical thinking. So you don't want somebody who does not have a lot of analytical thinking, because he won't be able to solve problems very easily. He won't be able to think of solutions. He won't be able to understand the business requirements or the business needs. He won't be able to connect the dots, right? So you need somebody with very good analytical thinking abilities. The fourth is teamwork abilities. Now, you don't want people who are able to perform really well in silos, but with a team they're not able to mingle really well. So those kind of people, while it does not harm you to keep 1 or 2 people like those in your company, but you're gonna have more people like that, because in the end you're gonna have to build big projects which they require a lot of developers at the same time. So you want somebody to do something and somebody else to do something. You can't have just one person doing the complete project by himself. So you need people who are very easy to socialize with, very easy to make friends with, people who work in teams, right? So you need those kind of people. The fifth is learnability. Now, as you know, in technology, the skills required, they have to be upgraded very soon, and technologies keep changing almost every 3 months. So you need somebody who can keep picking up new technologies, keep learning, and keep advancing himself, who's really motivated to learn. So that's the fifth part that you're looking for, is learnability. The sixth is if he's an experienced developer, right? It only applies then. Then you look for his code quality, the kind of projects he's done, and you can ask him, how much time he took to complete those projects. So you're looking for, quality, and you're looking for the less time. If he's taking less time, that's really good to create that kind of quality code, right? So these are the 6 things that you look for in a developer. And I hope this video was very helpful for you, and see you in the next episode. Thank you.